Yo guys, it's up Shadow here, and welcome to Space Engineers. So, if you have missed the stream, I've done some things. For one, I pushed that thing into space. It will slowly disappear, unless it was stopped by the meteorite. Oh, it might actually have stopped here. Okay, I was kind of disassembling it, and it started to drift away. But the main thing I've done on stream is this! Ta-da-da-da! This will be our big ship. If you're asking yourself, what the hell is this? I mean, it's a legit question. If you don't recognize what it is right now, because it's a bit obscure, it is this. It's a Vive remote. Yeah, we're building a big, giant Vive remote, I think. Well, we'll see how well that will turn out. But I thought I want to build something else than my general ships that I normally build. And the normal ships that I build are all the same, you know, they're basically long logs. They're like square, very long, just different size of chambers, you know, just connected to each other. That's it. That's how I normally build my ships. And I thought I would do something else for a change. And I was kind of looking for inspiration, you know, all around my room. What could I take to as an inspiration to make ships out of? Because I've seen some people do that, you know, they take everyday household objects and basically go to Space Engineers and then turn these basic shapes into a ship. And that's what I want to do here. I want to make a giant Vive remote. Now, right now I'm on the circle. I've used the trusty Minecraft circle chart to build this, which is amazing. You know, if you've ever seen this thing. Yeah, that thing that every kid used to build circular buildings in Minecraft. I'm using this right now for the holes. Right now, this is basically the inner hole part that we're building, and now we're starting to build the outer, the concentric circles that get bigger. It's not going to be 100%, you know, accurate in the proportions, but you know, it's more like the general shape is more like a guideline to me. So, I'm just adding more layers here. The central hole, the central circle, so to speak, is going to be 4 blocks high. So we'll have to add one more layer at the bottom here, and then we're going to add the next circle. The next one is going to be 2 in height, and it's going to be a bit bigger, like I think 2 blocks bigger in diameter. Oh, diameter! I was kind of searching for the right word to use. It didn't came into my mind. Jesus, now I cannot even say it. Diameter. You know, the double of the radius. For some reason the word didn't pop into my head. You know, it's kind of interesting. Oh well. But yeah, it's gonna have 2 blocks more on diameter per layer, and there's gonna be like on each side there's gonna be at least 2 more layers. So if this one was 17, then the next circle is gonna be 19 in diameter. So let me get over here and start laying this out. So the flat side here is gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3. So basically this layer will completely go along the lower part, you know? You can see it perfectly fits around the mold there, so to speak. So 3 in this direction, and then 2. And then it goes around this way. Technically this block doesn't belong to the circle, but we're gonna place it anyway, otherwise it will not have the connection. Then it goes like this, 2, and then comes the 1, 2, 3, and then comes the 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Then again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, around the corner, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. Yeah, okay, now I got it. Now I'm in a groove here. Very nice. Easy placing. Everything is still connected, that's fine. So yeah, I think basically now I can just start to color around the lines, so to speak. I can just place blocks where the lower layer has no blocks so far, for the most part. At least I think. So let me see. What was that? That was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 around the corner. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, that starts to look interesting, doesn't it? And then we're gonna do the same thing on the lower level, of course, because this is obviously this is gonna go on in both directions. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I did this correctly, right? Not quite sure now. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, something is wrong. Something is not quite as it's supposed to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I think I know. I know the problem. Yeah, I have to be a bit careful because here I had some connection blocks that I had to put on that technically do not belong to the circle, as I said before. So I have to kind of watch out for those. I still have to work on the off the plan here. So that's 7. Then comes 3, and then 2 around the corner. 2, and then I think it's 3 here. Yes. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 2. More or less around the corner. Wait, did I? Oh yeah, 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3. Yes. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I made a mistake here. The circles are annoying, but you know, I kind of want to have a perfect circle, otherwise it's not going to be good. Okay, let's go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, hold on, there's already a mistake here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And we go around the corner. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. Okay, I might have just been confused here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Corner. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm feeling like I'm doing Sesame Street here. 7 blocks. All right. So there's another 2. No, there's 3, 2, 2, then 3. Boom, perfect. There we go. So we got that layer. Now we have to add on each side a second layer. Just like that. I'm not sure when I will start welding, but I wanted to at least have, you know, the circles locked down. I wanted to at least have those, because these are the most annoying things, you know, to get the circle right. So that's the first priority. Even if I'm not going to weld for a while, I still wanted to at least have these created, you know, so I don't have to worry about those anymore. I think that is pretty good. There we go. And then on the bottom part we'll do the same thing. I wonder how many steel plates I'm gonna basically burn here. Just in the process of placing things down. Just in that process alone, I wonder how many we'll put down here. It's gonna be insane, to be honest. But you know, it's a long-term goal that we have right now, so that's good. Because in Space Engineers, at least right now, you need a long-term goal. Oh, by the way, there has been another new, like, teaser I think this time it was only a picture, not a video, on the Spacebook? Yes, Spacebook. On the Space Engineers Facebook page. This time it was like a picture of a mining vehicle in some sort of a mine, you know, like in a tunnel. It was digging. It looked very cool. It kind of hints at maybe there's some underground mining bases that we can explore on the planets or something like that. Which would be kind of cool, honestly. So yeah. Also, why is there no music? Have I turned the music off? No. Where is the music? Give me music! No. Oh well. Alright, so the next circle is gonna be 21, if I'm not mistaken. And that will mean 1, 2, oh, we have a same amount of blocks on the straight here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 7. And then it goes around the corner 2. And then there's gonna be corner block, 3 of those. Corner. Oh, I see. We already. That was about 370 steel plates that we just placed in blocks alone. Now times that by what is it, 25, and then you know how much steel plates we'll need to at least weld all the blocks that we just put down. It's kind of insane if you think about it. Okay, so 7.
Energy low.
And then. Oh, hold on, I think I made a mistake. No, I didn't. Okay, 7, and then technically 2, and then 1, 2, 3. And then we'll place a connection block here again, and then it's going to be 2 in this direction. And then a connection block, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, okay. So basically I think I can just more or less go around the outside here, I believe. Yeah, okay. Like so. Then just go again like this. Yes, this is going well. Okay. 1, 2. Going diagonal, and then 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Got the rhythm. I got the rhythm now. Oop. Oh, we're already around? Gee, that was fast. Let's just add the second layer and then we're done. On the top part, mostly. Now, I was thinking about how we're gonna fill up this ship, you know, with rooms and facilities, and I'm not quite sure the central bit here, which is I can pretty much feel that this is gonna be the bridge of some description, you know, this upper part. Now I'm not quite sure if I want to then leave the center hole here, if I want to leave that empty, you know, or do I want to put something in that center hole, you know, something
Energy
like a
critical.
I don't know, maybe some antennas, you know, like something that goes through the middle. Do I want to do that, or do I want to leave it empty? I'm not quite sure yet. So yeah, we'll figure that out eventually. Let me recharge. I find the station, that is. There we go. Recharging time. Alright, back into action. Now, we just have to do the lower part now, and then we can go back to the general form. Because I will have to do like the front part as well, and then I will try to at least emulate these. They're almost kind of like wings, you know? You can see there on the side, if you can actually see that. It's kind of hard to really show it properly. But you know what I mean, I think. We're gonna try putting these together in that fashion. But yeah, first I really want to finish off these circles. So, hold on. I need my trusty circle chart. Nothing can be done without a circle chart. Right. You know, it's just... I think right now I know how to put the things down, but I just want to be sure. right? I just don't want to make a mistake and then after hours of welding realize that, oops, something went wrong. That's not what I want. 2, and then we're on the flat again. Oh, damn it. There we go. We get the 1, 2. It's almost kind of like a song and dance that I'm doing here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 1, 2. You know what I mean? It's almost like a rhythm, like a dance, like a song. At least to me it is. It is music to my ears, what I'm doing. That's, you know, when you play too much Space Engineers. If you really start to enjoy the sounds of blocks being placed, like, yes, that sounded good. Hold on. Oh yeah, that was wrong. That is wrong. This one is wrong. It goes like this. And we should be done. Yes. Okay. And let's just place that last layer. I hope I didn't make a mistake. If anybody spots a mistake, let me know. You will save a lot of my sanity if you spot a mistake and tell me. Believe me. Alright, just a few more. Jesus, that's so much material we're gonna pour into this. It's insane. I'm insane. Yeah, probably. Okay. So there we go. So that's the walls of the inner. Again, the proportions are not perfect. Far from it. But you know, it's all about the approximation. You know, the kind of look like a Vive remote. It does not need to be perfect, but yeah. So I think the front part, I will elongate the front part a little bit because technically the upper rim here is just a tiny flat surface, but just in the interest of actually having some room, I will put down, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 blocks that will be used as space here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then we will start descending. Now, let me think about this, how we'll do that. I have to think about it. If we try to do it in a more flat trajectory, technically, trying to figure it out. It's kind of hard to say. Let's just try this. We'll go down 6 blocks in total, and we'll do it with these slopes here. Right? So it's like so. So that's 2 blocks down, like so. That's 1, 2, and the next 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Oh, now I'm kind of. Oh, hold on. So basically, I want to have 6 pairs of these. Is it 6? Well, basically, the middle point needs to be here-ish. There needs to be like a. Again, we'll kind of elongate it a little bit. We'll make the middle bit, the peak here, which is very thin technically. We'll make that 4 blocks in height. At least we'll try. Yeah, I think we're actually there. So this will be the first one, and it's gonna be like that. Oh, hold on. I have to draw some helping lines here, just to visualize it. It's kind of hard sometimes to eyeball it. Okay, so that is part of the middle 4 blocks. Right? Let me just visualize this. So this is part of the middle here. We'll just do it like that. Then there is another one like that. Oh yeah, okay, okay, yeah. I see. I see how it is. There we go. So now we can add that one, and then we can start the slope back inwards. Yes. Right, I think I got it. And then we just curve this back towards the loop, towards the hole. Again, this is not going to be proportionally perfect. I think it will have a little bit of a thicker head and a longer nose, basically. That is what this is going to have for the most part. You know what? I might actually put some music on this footage because there's no music playing whatsoever. Yeah, you can see it's kind of longer than it's supposed to be, I guess. Actually, you know what? We do have more than enough space, though, don't we? I mean, that's... Even if we make these in a much steeper angle, we'll have enough space. I think that's better, to make them the same angle as basically the loop. Let me try that. I think that will look better, because right now it looked really weird. Okay, so let's try this then, shall we? Let's try it this way. So we're going down like so. There we go. So that is the first two, the next two, and now comes the 4-part. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're just gonna go back again. Just like so. Oh, that's wrong. Yeah, I think... Although that doesn't... Well, it doesn't look as steep of a nose as it could be. Although we can kind of make it a little bit more... I mean, it looks okay. Again, the whole top part is longer than the normal Vive remote is, technically speaking. But that's just so we can have a bit more space to build in. So yeah, let's take this back here. And that should perfectly, yes, align with that. Wonderful. So, now, technically speaking, what I have to do now is to make a giant circle around here, which is basically gonna denominate this area here. Well, minus the wings. The wings are gonna be built outwards from the circle, but technically, at least to about... Well, no, it's actually more beneficial if we do the whole circle. Now, we just have to figure out how big that circle is. Basically, we have to... Hold on. We need some helping lines again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I believe, is the middle, right? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, that's the middle part here. That's the middle of the ship, of the top part. Right, so let's pull this up. It would be a bit more easier in creative mode, since you can just draw lines there and you can easily figure out how long things are. Okay, so
low.
Let's figure this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That means 48, 49, the radius. I need to kind of write this down. Hold on. Does the Minecraft chart even go that high? Oh, 45? 45 is the biggest. Damn it! That's gonna be awkward. I have to check out if I can find a website to do it for me. To basically give me a perfect Minecraft circle with the radius of 49. Because that is gonna be very important. Okay, let me write this down. Hold on. What did I say? 49. I don't want to lose this number. 49, 49, 49. There's gonna be a random note on my phone that just says 49, nothing more. So I'm gonna have the number in the end, but I'm probably gonna forget what it's for. So so here we have to make a circle that has a diameter of 49 blocks. That's huge. I don't even know if we can do that. Let's see. Minecraft circle
Energy critical.
49. Let's just see if there must be a website that just like a program that just gives you the perfect layout. Pixel circle oval generator. Oh, that sounds great. Oh yes. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah. I can see that. Perfect. 49. 49. Oh, bless you. Bless you, whoever made this. This is pretty good. Yes, this is perfect. It's a great website. You can basically just punch in the numbers and then it draws the circle for you on a pixel grid. It's pretty good. Ah, great. Oh, Jesus, this is gonna be huge. I mean, the straight part alone is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks? Can that be? Must be a... No, it supposedly should be a odd number, yes? 2, 4, 8, 10, 12? Really? That cannot be. You know what? I'll have to look at that in detail. I'm kind of happy that we already did that part. That was the biggest part. Now we just need to figure out this, basically. Oh, wait. Actually, the circle... Do we want to really have it from here? No, I think we go from here. So it's 47, technically speaking. Oh, yeah, I punched in the wrong number, by the way. I punched in 48. That's why it was 12. There we go. Ah, now it even comes with the cross in the middle, so you can see where the middle points are. Yeah, we're gonna go from 47, I think. So we technically might just omit this little thing here. So let me just put down the groundwork so you can see how big this is gonna be. So this is gonna be 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 on this part. So that's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the flat part. And then it will start to veer off into the curve. Go over here. And yeah, we're just going to do the whole circle. Technically, if you see back here, the circle kind of meanders off into the grip. So that we'll have to kind of eyeball that for the most part. But yeah, this you can see this is an ambitious project, but that's exactly what I need right now. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.